Today we're going to be looking at Astros 1.4a. So the first thing we're going to do is solve our first two equations. You can solve these using counters or pictures, however you want to solve them. So I see I have 4 circles. I get rid of 2 circles. I'm left with 2 circles. I have 3 circles. I want to get rid of 2 circles. I'm left with 1 circle. You could have used counters. You could have used any way you wanted to have solved those in your head. Diane has 11 pencils in her box. Andrew has 8 pencils in his box. Which picture shows Diane's box? So what I'm looking for is Diane's box. I don't really care about Andrew's box. I'm going to just cross off that extra information because that helps me eliminate it. And I see Diane has 11 pencils in her box. And since I'm just looking for Diane's, I know I'm looking for 11 pencils. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that first one's 11, but I'm not done. I have to check the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's 1 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 2 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know this is the only correct answer. There are 4 apple trees on the playground. Which has the greatest number of apples? So I'm looking for the most apples. And I'm going to look at these pictures and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I see 8 apples on this tree. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 on this tree. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on this tree. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 on this tree. So I know this is my correct answer. What numbers come before 26? So I'm going to start counting backwards at 26. 26, 25, 24, 23, and 22. Which coin is worth 1 cent? So I'm going to look at my coins. I know this is a nickel. Its value is 5 cents. I know this is a dime. Its value is 10 cents. I know this is a penny. Its value is 1 cent. And I know this is a quarter with a value of 25 cents. So I know this coin right here with Abraham Lincoln has a value of 1 cent because it's a penny. You could do it like that or check marks. I'm going to show you know. Put the circle, or circle the nickel, put an X on the dime. So again, I'm going to look over here and say, well, a nickel has, this is my no-neck nickel. I see that Thomas Jefferson, so I'm going to put a circle on him. And I'm going to put an X on a dime. I see this is FDR, so he gets his X. I'm not going to do anything with the quarter. I know this is a quarter because I can see his neck. I see George Washington. And I know this is a penny because I see Abraham Lincoln. What is the name of this coin? And what is the value of the coin? So I'm going to look right here and I say, oh, that says 5 cents. So I'm going to do the value right away. 5 cents because I can see it straight on the coin. I know a coin that has a value of 5 cents that has Monticello is called a nickel. If I'm not sure how to spell nickel, that word was right up here for me. What is the name of this coin? And what is the value of this coin? Well, I see FDR, so I know that's a dime. If I'm not sure how to spell dime, there's the word right there. And I know a dime has a value of 10 cents.